Here is very interesting app called MUBR, see what your friends listen. So how to use it? The main idea of this app is in widgets. So you just log in with Spotify. By the way, I don't think you can use with Apple Music yet, but anyhow, you just log into this app with Spotify, and then you add friends, and then in your feed you can see what your friends listened to on Spotify recently. But the coolest part is that you can install home screen widget or lock screen widget and then just see, like, just on your home screen what your friends recently listened to on Spotify. So that's basically the whole concept of the app. It's pretty cool. Discover your friends' last listened tracks, send funny reactions. You can also send reactions to your listened tracks. Like you can just, send some funny emoticon. All your friends' music in one place with the MUBR app. MUBR is a widget that shows live songs from your best friends right on a home screen. You will see what your friends are listening to on Spotify and Apple Music. Okay, so seems you can use Apple Music. I didn't know that. But I just use it with Spotify. And your best friends will see what you're listening to on Spotify and Apple Music. Be connected with your friends, know what they are listening to right now. So just obviously you need to install the app, add the widget to the home screen, share your invite link with friends. When your friends listen to Spotify, Apple Music, their songs instantly appear on MUBR. So that's the idea. Then there is like a pro membership subscription, which is $4 monthly for unlimited and full access to this app. So then just open up the app, and here you have friends tab. I just created an account. I logged in with my Spotify, and then basically in the friends tab you see like this is one friend, this is another, and they just listen to this track. You can then tap and react. You can send a reaction to the song, for example, something like that. Reaction is sent. You can see what was recently played. You can see listened songs, liked. So you can see two categories. You can see which songs were listened to and which songs were liked by the friend. And then if you want to see more, you need to upgrade, and then you just need to upgrade, and that's the idea. So how to add friends? So again, in the friends tab, you just add more friends. Then you can give access to your contacts, or then you can just share a link like that in the messenger, and then you will just have that link available, and then you'll be able to send it to your friends just like that. And then also you can just, all right, so you can't search people kind of in discovery mode globally, but you can give access to your contacts, and then you can just filter people from there. So that's how you add friends. If you want to delete or remove friends, that's a bit more tricky. So to delete your friends, you just tap on your icon in top right, and then from here you tap manage friends, and then you can just remove friends if you just don't want to see them. Also from here, as you can see, you can delete account easily. So and change your name. Your friends will see this name in their widgets. So that's just the name they will see in widgets. But let's now go to the most important part, like how to install the widgets. So I will just show you. So tap and hold on the screen, tap plus in top left, and then you can just search for MUBR widget, and then just tap add widget. And then that's how you add this home screen widget. And this is like a really cool part. You can just see like this friend recently listened to this song, and that's that. I don't know how to select specific friends in this widget. Usually if you just tap and hold, you would see like edit widget, or so I would expect that to happen, to add like different friends. Like right now I just see this friend. Maybe it just automatically updates and shows you different friends there. So that's one of the issues there. And then also you can add lock screen widget. If you just go to settings, wallpaper, you can just tap customize, and then just add widgets, and from here again, just search for MUBR. By the way, I don't know how to exactly pronounce it. MUBR, MUBR, and what does it mean? This part I don't know, but see what your friends listen to, and then just install widget like this, and then yeah, you will be able to basically install the widget. And then they also have only one size of the widgets here, and then yeah, you'll be able to see what your recent friend just listened to. In the widget, it's not possible to see which music your friends liked, so that's not happening. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then Spotify Pi is here, so you can just see MUBR Spotify Pi, and then you can just see kind of your top artists, which you can just share to Instagram and whatever. And yeah, so that's the idea. Then you just have your playlist. Like, what is that? So they have kind of additional feature which is called feed. And the idea is here you kind of swipe. So you can tap, there are all these feed recommendations, I don't know on based on what. And it's kind of like Tinder for music discovery. So you kind of just swiping through different songs here. You can like them, you can skip them, and then if you like them, they will just be added to the playlist I just showed. And then yeah, you can, if you like them, you can play on Spotify. Also same with friends music. If you see some of the friend played some song recently, you can just tap on the link, and then yeah, you will be able to play it on Spotify. So it's also kind of nice music discovery machine, kind of this app. And here, this feed is an interesting feature. You can just also select different types of filters, different like popularity, energy, happiness, and like all of the different filters, select them, and then you swipe through songs and try to discover something. So this is just like another feature for you. So yeah, that's basically the idea. But honestly, most of the people use this app for the widgets. And yeah, to install home screen widgets, you need at least to have iOS 14. To install these lock screen widgets, you need to have iOS 16, meaning you need to have like iPhone 10 or later. Of course, iPhone 15 will also work if it's not overheating, but yeah, that's another story. But yeah, that's basically what it is. Pretty cool app. Give it a try. Then you can, I guess, you can upgrade if you want a faster track updates to listen songs, remove ads. Here you can just also explore that. Pretty good price. It would be nice if they had just like a full deal, like pay once, get like access forever, and that would be really cool. But they don't have that. It's like $5 per month. It's actually not a big price. So if you're a meloman, if you like listening to music and share music with your friends, yeah, it's just much faster to do it in the widget instead of opening Spotify, going to specific section of Spotify. And I'm kind of a bit surprised that Spotify didn't develop this feature yet, but that's just what it is.